Hello, everybody. It's Guillermo Agustin and David Blasco from Esprinet, Spain. Due to a problem in our return flight from the event in Istanbul, we were unable to do our presentation. But anyway, we want to record this short video to show to all of you our case.
First of all, say thanks to you for being here watching this video. And together, we want to share with you our project across this year related to the impact on end customers.
First, let's define the challenge that we faced. So we found that the effectiveness of the message and actions wasn't as powerful as we expected. So the final customer wasn't receiving the information. Why? So because of two main reasons. The complexity of the channel, the 99% of the companies in Spain are small business, and because of the low connection and impact of the message. In addition, we detect that the final customer needs knowledge, management, and deployment. We thought, how can we improve that? To address this challenge, we create a four-step activation model based on innovation, collaboration, and achieving measurable results. First, the model was based on experimentation and the use of practical tools such as Intune, Autopilot, live demos. Also, we focused on cybersecurity by integrating NIS and our arguments and AI using Copilot plus PC as an additional value in device refresh initiatives. Last but not least, collaboration was a key factor. We shared methodology with other PDMs and partners, such as campaigns and direct collaboration with resellers. And now, David will show you all the details of the project.
Thanks, Guillermo. Now, let's talk about the main blockers we have found in our experience. First of all, in Spain, the market is very fragmented. Around 6 about 10 jobs are in small and medium-sized companies, and the reseller ecosystem is also highly divided. It means that are many small players, each one with their own way of working. Second, in our channel, the distribution has always been the key connector between the manufacturer and the reseller. And now with this new role, the US Champ, we also work directly with end customer. And it's important to build trust and show the value of this role brings. The US Champ mission is to work side by side with partners, but a trusted advisor and a trainer, helping them to create sales opportunities. Another challenge we found was that some of our content were feel a bit too conceptual. It didn't include enough practical or technical examples. And partners need more concrete, something that they could use right now with the customers. We also noticed that sometimes difficult to keep close contact with resellers, especially those outside the big cities. So we understood that to really make an impact, we need to make our session shorter, more dynamic, and much more practical. So we ask ourselves a simple question: how can we improve? The answer was a new, more adaptive strategy, one that fits today's market reality. We create a closer contact with resellers, offering personalized support regardless of location. We shift toward a shorter, more dynamic training formats, and we diversify our engagement channels to make sure that we could reach customers of all sizes, not just the big ones. So the first side of this project is the evolution of the message. In this area, our collaboration with Intel is key. We add more live demos showing LLM models can run locally, taking advantage of the GPU and the GPU power inside the Intel Core Ultra processors, and adding even more value to the proposition of a Copilot Plus PC. We also use tools like West Coast Awareness Tool, Forrester Return on Invest Calculator, and Intune demonstrations, among others, to help partners clearly see the business impact and technical potential of this solution. The objective is move from the abstract value selling to a practical business enablement. On the other side, we have the channels of these trainings. We found that the classical format of trainings are not as effective as we want. So we decided to try new formats to explore new ways to capture the attention of the users. The first one, Tech Talk, is a very short format, 10-15 minutes, informal session on Fridays, where we talk about technology and useful tips to the users. We already delivered like 25 sessions with more than 700 attendees in total. In the other side, the cast is a longer session focused on storytelling, a more natural conversational format to talk about technology. We already launched the first 3 chapters of this series. Roleplay, another format to the in-life events, one-to-one conversation, where we simulate a proof of concept to show to the resellers how the solution works and how it can solve the real customer challenge. And Try and Play, another gamification options that we want to use. And the last one, the live events, right? In the live events, we have 2 different approaches. The first one is an event, a closed event, just with resellers, with a wide group of resellers. This session in our format of Roadshow Refresh take place in Tier 2 cities, places with a high density of resellers, but excluding Madrid and Barcelona. The goal is to expand the reach to smaller partners, different partners who don't usually attend to the very big events. And we spend time together cooking and something, making an informal activity to connect, listen, and understand the specific needs of these resellers. And in the other side, we have the exclusive session, one-to-one event with just one reseller with the end customers to build trust through a hands-on proof of concept approach centered about cybersecurity, demand acceleration, and Copilot. We run these sessions together with M&As to reinforce the value proposition of the event and include exclusive promotion and incentive from the attending customers. So, in conclusion, after this year experience, we have learned mainly two clear things. The first, the close contact and the trust with the distribution channel are the key driver of the success. And the second is the collaboration with the ecosystem and share success stories are essential to accelerate the results. That's why event like Copilot Plus, even in Istanbul, is a great opportunity to learn from each other and grow together. And in the side of the next steps, we want to engage new partners through our methodology and reach even more verticals and new markets. And also the fact that collaborate with the full ecosystem and deliver the full Copilot experience from device to cloud is also essential to have more results. So thank you once again. We're sorry we couldn't stay until the end of the event in Istanbul, but it was a real pleasure to be there in person and share part of the experience with you. We hope see you again very soon, and next time stay until the very end. To finish, we want to show you a short video about our special event that we celebrate for 40 of October to celebrate the end of support of Windows 10, and we hope that was interesting for you. Thank you so much.
Solo quiero daros las gracias por haber venido, por acompañarnos, y también a todos los fabricantes que hoy también nos acompañan y que seguro que ellos sí van a dar las claves para impulsar este arranque de Windows 11. Hoy es un adiós al Windows 10.
Esprinet es para nosotros un caballo ganador, como es también la seguridad en ese día a día que nosotros tenemos en nuestro trabajo.
Esto va a continuar y va a dar lugar a muchas conversaciones con clientes.
Windows 11 realmente es la respuesta a todas esas necesidades que estamos viendo desde el entorno, desde las casas al entorno empresarial en pequeña y mediana empresa.
Tenemos un optimismo exagerado para el año que viene. Va a haber una adopción de proyectos muy grande y la verdad creo que va a ser algo muy bueno, pero para todos, para el usuario final, para los fabricantes y sobre todo nos va a hacer escalar.
Como la autonomía lo tenía, pero ya no.
El año 2025 ha sido un buen año para nuestro sector y el 2026 nosotros vemos como un año cargado de oportunidades.